This is one of my favorite snacks, Brie with pepper jelly. But it's not just Brie with pepper jelly, it's smoked Brie with pepper jelly. Incredibly delicious, super simple to make, so let's get started. Grab your Brie, a cast iron, or a pan, and some pepper jelly. I made this pepper jelly at home, but you can also buy it at the store. Drop your Brie in the pan while it's all out of focus. Put some pepper jelly on top because I only filmed from one angle, but hey look, back in focus. Everything looks great. You can eat it just like this, but we're going to make it even better by taking it on a little journey to the patio and the smoker. I'm going to drop it on this smoker that's preheated at 230 degrees Fahrenheit and leave it on here for about half an hour. I'm going to run back inside, grab my favorite gluten-free crackers, and then come check on it. Ooh, that is ready. Add a little fresh basil. I grabbed this off the plant hanging in my kitchen window, and it is ready to go. Melty, delicious, smells incredible. I cannot wait to dig in. Look at that stretch on the melt. Amazing. Just enough spiciness and sweetness from that pepper jelly. Brie itself is melty, gooey, delicious, and the smoker adds just enough of that kind of mesquite flavor to really blend it all together. The basil just looks pretty. It doesn't really add a whole lot of flavor here, but come on. Give this a try. I promise you will love it. And in the meantime, hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll be back very soon with another spicy gloozer recipe.